This is season 2 of man's journey to reveal himself. Today's date is 18th of January. Today I have like journal or like studied a topic which you can say what is ego, and it was like it was one of the crucial topics to study. It was one of the crucial topics which needs to be studied by me because everyone has ego, and I had super ego, like very high ego, and I need to like neutralize it. And I studied through videos of Sandeep Maheshwari, and I got some bit of it, but I will rewatch it and understand it. Okay, so today also I didn't have nothing to journal on, and I didn't meditate, and but I am constantly uh, manifesting the man I need to become, the man I want to become. And I did the exercise in the form of walking, and I did the 12 hour marathon. I did find leads, book reading, not book reading, but studying the ego and the video shoot. Okay, so that's all for today's time to do it again tomorrow, and not missing the meditation part. I don't know why. The reason is mobile. Still, I need to fight for this. I need to fight. Okay, so that's all for today.